everyone, and welcome to 333 News. I'm the news anchor Frank, and today I will be reporting on how the United States has officially passed China in coronavirus cases in total, and active cases as well. So as of right now, there are over 85,000 total cases in the United States for coronavirus, which is a lot greater than China's 81,000 total cases of coronavirus. So, that is quite troubling, as we have officially surpassed China in total cases. And for active cases, we are also taking the hot spot as well, as the United States has about 83,900 active cases at the moment, while China has gone all the way down to around 8,000 active cases. Now obviously, the recovery period will take a while to come in, but we are hoping that it starts soon, as we also have over 1,000 people who have been able to successfully recover from the virus now. So, we're gonna go on to Wario, who can hopefully explain a bit of this. Over to you, Wario.
Right, well, I'm gonna be kind of quiet because people are sleeping here. Here it is late at night, 12:20, as you can see by the clock in the background. Thank you, Frank. So yeah, I have been noticing that we've had a really big jump in the United States of coronavirus cases, which is kind of concerning, because it used to be like, at the start of the whole thing, China had thousands of cases and we only had like 20-something in the United States. And now, within just like 10 days, we go from 11,000 all the way up to 81,000 cases, which is kind of scary, to be honest. And just within the last 24-hour period, we've also gone up about 20,000 cases. So, things are getting a bit concerning if you look at the numbers. But I really do not have medical expertise on the virus or any updates about its symptoms or anything like that. So, back over to you, Frank.
Right, thanks, Wario. Now we do have word that President Trump is working with France in order to start cutting back on coronavirus cases. And we also have word that stores and markets are dedicating at least 1 hour for those 60 and over to shop, because hoarding is a really big problem within this pandemic, and with all our effort that we want to prevent it with, all grocery stores are doing 1 hour for just people who are over 60 years old. And, in other words, please, 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 practice social distancing, everyone, because that is the only way we can prevent the spread of the virus here, or anywhere, actually. So stores are also setting up social distancing markers, and they are sanitizing everything, I hope. So, yeah, they definitely have to meet with those requirements. So, yeah, we're hoping that stores are doing everything they can to keep sanitary, and you should also be doing the same at home. Make sure that when you receive something from the outside world, you disinfect it immediately. Otherwise, you could risk catching the virus, because you never know. And also, make sure you are frequently washing your hands whenever you can, or whenever you come in contact with any item that may have come from the outside world. And make sure that you always wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, because that's how long it takes for the soap to do its full effect. So, I have got medical expert Dr. Mario on the scene, and he can explain a bit more about this. Over to you, Dr. Mario. Yes, thanks, Frank. You can clearly see that I am in my office, which is actually a ghetto setup of me just being by this desk thing here and a nightlight that is plugged in with a photocell sensor, and it is dark because all the lights are turned off. I'm actually in my own house. You know that I should not be going out, so I'm not doing that. Anyways, I will let my medical expertise do all the work, taking it over here. So the coronavirus is pretty quickly spreading, and we are working on a vaccine, but it will take about a year more at least in order to fully develop a vaccine, because we do have to go through a long process of getting the virus and making a frozen copy of it, and then we have to test the vaccine to make sure that it is good for the public. So that will take a while. And we also have word that new symptoms of the coronavirus are loss of smell and taste. So, you may have the coronavirus if you are experiencing a loss of the smell or taste senses. Thank you, Frank. Back over to you. Alright, thanks, Dr. Mario. Now, we do have to make the following schedule changes to the YouTube channel, the 333 Ryan, because we do have to keep up to date on the reports of coronavirus for 333 News for at least a week or two, because everyone requires updates on this. So, we are currently in the midst of doing some 333 episodes that are relating to the coronavirus, but we will be postponing those until April from this day forward, like the next week afterwards. So, next week, we will only be doing 333 News updates. I apologize for the inconvenience of having to postpone one of our regulars in terms of content, but it is for the health and safety of the public. So, 333 episodes will be postponed by exactly 1 week, and we will not do any 333 episodes next week. I apologize for the inconvenience. Thanks for understanding. Now, I do have to get my sleep, so that's going to be all for now, and I will see you in tomorrow or 2 days for 333 News. So, that's all for 333 News for now, and, yeah, this is Frank signing off.